they're dirty, clean them. Separate your tops from these and get them clean and shit. Ew, what is this in there? I thought it was a piece of hair. It's like a piece of fiber or something. But I was like, what the fuck? Let me stop. Alright. BRB. Alright, so just so you know, when I'm cleaning mushrooms in general, so I'm gonna do the same to this that I'm doing to this. When I do them, I'll rinse them and then I take a paper towel and I wipe them off and then I rinse them again because you know it's got dirt and stuff on them, and you definitely have to do it with these. Some people don't even eat these, but I use them inside of my stuffing mixture. So let's get it popping. All right, in this bowl I got some onions and some cream cheese and some motherfucking mushrooms that I just chopped up, and these ones are about to get wiped off. So similar to the stuffed peppers, you feel what I'm saying? You got your turkey meat, you got your seasonings. I would have way more shit in here, bro, if I lived where I used to live, but now I have to like collect all my herbs and shit back up, so we kind of, you know, not as gourmet. So yeah, but we got all our shit in there. Got our ground turkey, lean, you know, that healthy milky. Then you got what kind of seasoning I get? I think I put steak and shake, Parmesan cheese, cayenne because I like spicy shit. No salt because this seasoning salt already, and it's salt in the steak and shake. Cayenne, did I say cayenne already? Yeah, we got that in there. It's another way that I'm gonna be showing y'all once my bread gets stacked up. Like I be trying to cut not unnecessary expenses, but you know, like, you know, you be like, I got a taste for something, but I'm not finna pay for my taste. I'm finna pay for my belly. You feel me? Like, you know. That being said, you could use like a ground shrimp. You can use ground fish. You can use beef if you eat beef. You can use pork if you eat pork, but I don't really, you know, eat that shit. I was probably gonna teach myself how to make dumplings because I fucking love dumplings, bro. But I haven't had a good dumpling in so long because they're beef and pork. But yeah, this is it. I'm probably gonna put some more cheese in there and then some flour, and I'm gonna mix that shit up. So yeah, this is what it look like and shit. This is what it look like. I also put spinach in this. You know, that would be a great ingredient right now, but I whole forgot that I usually put spinach in it. But it's still good. Like I've made it without spinach, so you know. Okay, so this is like all the juice and stuff. I picked the mushrooms. Oh yeah, we're 30 minutes in, by the way. I picked, and they're completely done, yes, but I like my, you know, I like my mushrooms tender and my meat crispy. So I removed them out of their juices and I put them in a separate pan. Oh my god. Okay, I just really don't want the heat to fuck my phone. After that, I put them on a pan by itself and let them crisp up for 15 minutes. Now I put on my goddamn cheese. Okay, so here it go though. Like, here it goes. Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, whatever pronouns you go by. Yes, baby. How about that? So, yeah.